Guys, I'm about to start doing some instant dreadlocks on my client, and I'll show you what I'm about to do with his hair. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start doing my instant dreads. So I'm gonna back comb my client's hair. After you section, you back comb it. Okay, so we have one here that we back comb. This one is not yet back comb. You see this one? I'm going to do both of them. I'm going to back on both. Now I'm going to use my needle. And this needle is the 0.5 mm. Okay? I don't know if you can see good. Alright. So now I'm start interlocking his hair using my needle. I have big hands, guys, so you're not gonna see everything. So we're going to do this with every single one of his hair, and then after we show you the finished product. Okay? See, guys, that's how we do it.